Hey everybody, so I almost didn't do this video because, well, as you can probably tell, I'm missing a front tooth. Yeah, it's a bit embarrassing, but hear me out. A lot of you out there, you work in the trades, or maybe you dabble in DIY projects on the weekends, right? Well, what happened to me could happen to anyone in those shoes. That's why I decided to share my experience with you and do this video, even though I sound a little weird. Last Thursday, I had a little mishap with a bungee cord. It slipped out of my hand and boom, smashed right into my front tooth. I needed an extraction, a bone graft, and eventually an implant. I'm gonna get one of those fake retainers as well. It's gonna be a 6-month process. But hey, I learned my lesson. I've since swapped out all my bungee cord straps in my van for more secure cam and Velcro straps. You should too. All right, now that we've addressed the elephant in the room, let's dive into the main event and talk about this review, shall we? So we took a look at the Ryobi 18-volt cordless vacuum, PCL 732. It's got an innovative design because it allows it to attach to 5-gallon buckets as its storage container. And when I review a vacuum, I look to check off 4 things. Does it have good suction, CFM airflow, water lift? Does it have a comprehensive array of attachments? Does it have a sturdy build quality, and is it portable? The new Ryobi cordless vacuum, it'll handle both wet and dry. It comes with a crevice nozzle, but lacks kind of a wider vacuuming head or a water squeegee. A notable feature is the convenient storage solution for all the components, including the hose, the crevice tool, battery charger. Everything fits in the bucket, which is great. Noticeably missing, though, was the 4-inch or 6-inch floor sweeper squeegee. So I just want to point that out. Doesn't come with it. Now, it comes equipped with a blower port, and like many vacuums, I question the utility of that, but it's there. It boasts a maximum airflow of 45 CFM. However, it's important to note that the term max, when the marketing materials use that, it's a variable performance that may not sustain throughout the battery charge, so just be aware of that. It's rated to have 32 inches of water lift, IOW. And that's a measure of static suction pressure, net flow, indicating how much water a vacuum can lift vertically. It weighs 4.2 pounds. It has a 1.25-inch hose. Comes with a filter bag and kind of a rubber band to assist as the filter for dry vacuuming. The battery inserts on top of the unit alongside kind of a rocker-style power switch. And the unit itself has a decibel rating of 72.4. Now, let's talk a little bit about runtime efficiency with cordless vacuums. That's a huge thing. We tested it here in the shop environment, primarily with sawdust and debris in clean water. I will note that on 2 occasions, I plugged the hose into the blower port and blew water all over the stuff. I did it with sawdust too, blew dust everywhere. Ryobi should label that intake port better. It's labeled not well. When paired with a 4-amp-hour battery, the vacuum can operate continuously for about 12 minutes. I decided that I wanted to test the water suction capability because I saw this would be great for plumbers and stuff. So we used clean water, a separate bucket, and we swapped back and forth. Suction was great, and I was able to suck 3.62 gallons of water in 12 seconds on average. That's the capacity of the bucket. And I repeatedly transferred back and forth until the vacuum lost suction, which occurred after 30 bucket changes, 30 cycles. That's impressive. Impressively, it managed to remove a total of 108.6 gallons of water on a single 4-amp-hour battery charge. Again, I was unable to test with a water squeegee. Now, for dust picked up here in the shop, I used the nozzle, and I picked up sawdust, and I cleaned some of my machines and sawdust on the floor. The suction was decent, not great, and about what I would expect for a $60 vacuum. I was unable again to test with a wider sweeping nozzle, a little wider nozzle, so it might even be, I don't know, might not work as well, who knows. I'd like to suggest some improvements for Ryobi. While I love the innovative bucket top design, Ryobi could enhance its appeal to professionals and serious enthusiasts by improving durability, motor strength, and airflow. Suction. I'd like to see some accessories offered, such as a 4-inch sweeper or a squeegee nozzle, and an efficiency filter capable of capturing particles down to, say, 1 micron, 99% efficiency. Lastly, offering a model that has AC/DC functionality, maybe a 20-foot cord, that would be amazing when cleanup exceeds the battery runtime. Look, I recognize that all the items I just talked about come with an associated increase in cost. While some may be hesitant to pay this premium, there are many who recognize and appreciate the value it brings. Who knows, maybe Home Depot will allow them to make a premium model. I know a pro like myself would be all over that. All right, talk about price. One of the most appealing aspects to this vacuum is its affordability. It's priced at $60 as a bare tool. $119 paired with a 4 amp hour battery and a charger. To conclude, the bucket top design is a commendable idea, and at the end of the day, consumers looking for a cordless, wet-dry vacuum still want good suction, comprehensive array of attachments, sturdy build quality, and portability. Now, Ryobi comes really close to achieving this, but falls a bit short in my opinion. Despite its shortcomings, this vacuum sells for $60, guys. It represents a commendable option for consumers seeking low cost, convenience, and functionality. With slight improvements in the areas I described though, Ryobi holds the promise to emerge as the preferred choice for those seeking a versatile bucket top vacuum solution. Let's hope that Home Depot provides a platform for Ryobi to elevate to a premium vacuum supplier and establish itself as a new standard in wet-dry vacuuming. Guys, if you found this review useful and you don't mind listening to my lisp, please give the video a thumbs up, comment. I love hearing from you guys. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell right there. It helps support the channel, and we need all the support we can get. Thank you. Have a good day. See you next time.